Hello and welcome to my behind the scenes video where I am setting up for a workshop at Detroit Unity Temple. I am here to transform an ordinary space into some extraordinary vibes. Yes, it's almost 12 p.m. and yes, I do need another cup of coffee, but I'm here ready to set up something magical. Now watch closely as you see me looking around the church and about to walk into the room so you can see the actual setup for my workshop. Those are the doors right there. There go me. Here I am. Hello. This is where I had my mind, body, and spirit Bridging Faith and Wellness Workshop, aka it's the Wellness Glow Up your soul's been waiting for. This workshop is for kids, teens, and adults. I don't discriminate. Everyone deserves a reset. And as you see, I'm setting up my table. So let's talk about it. I have my books, journals, I have soaps, chapstick, I have different types of shea butter, different types of body scrubs, I have candles, I have so many fun things, as well as exclusive discounts that you'll only get if you show up for my workshop. Yes, that's right, you heard it. I only offer these deals. If you go to my workshop, you'll be able to save up to 60% off on all my products. Yep. And here's a lady coming in to check and see if I need help. I was very supportive and I appreciate that. So, not to brag, but once again, these discounts are so good, even my budget conscious friends said, "You sure you're making money off this?" I tell them, yes, it's for the community. Look at this nice room. It's peaceful, it's clean. It's about to be filled with a lot of potential. I'm waiting for everyone to come in and feel the good vibes, the positive energy. I'm waiting to meet new people. And we may even get a few latecomers sneaking in after we start our icebreakers. So I do have handouts which will be displayed on the table. Let me just send a shout out to Detroit Unity Temple. Thank you so much for having me. And if you or your organization or community group is looking for a fun and interactive way to talk about wellness that doesn't feel like a lecture from your gym teacher, just call me, or better yet, you can send me an email at mentalgoalspwc@gmail.com or go to my website at www.mymentalgoals.com. This actual workshop blends with faith and wellness because yes, affirmations are a part of our life. Saying something positive as well as movement and prayer. We did it all around lunchtime. This workshop was from 12 to 2 p.m. So whether you're trying to be more mindful or motivated or just need a break from the chaos, join us. Look at my table. I'm so excited. Bring your kids, bring your cousins, bring your coworkers. It's a great way to reset and calm down. And once again, shout out to Detroit Unity Temple for letting me host this moment of peace, purpose, and positivity. See you guys the next time. And don't forget, these workshops are in person, live. The deals are real, and your spirit deserves this.